Grandmaster Keith Hafner here. Do you have trouble getting started in the morning? I'm the kind of person that when the clock goes off, and mine goes off early, it's like flipping a switch, and I'm like, vroom, ready to go. And I know that not everybody is like that. But I wonder if you are the people that are kind of slow starters in the morning, if you are intrinsically like that, or if you have just sort of accumulated the habits that allow that to take place. And so I've got 4 things to do that will sort of jumpstart your morning and help you be a little bit of a faster getter-upper. Number 1, right when you get up, I'm not even going to count this one, you go into the bathroom and do your thing. But step number 1, brush your teeth right away. I am such a fan of brushing your teeth. Anytime you feel grungy, you feel tired, you feel like you need to be refreshed a little bit, get your toothbrush out and give yourself a good cleaning. That has all kinds of good benefits. But number 1, right when you get up, brush your teeth. Number 2, drink as much water as you possibly can. Maybe even like 2 or 2.5 big glasses of water. I think you get dehydrated during the night, you sweat, and you're not taking in any water. I think that water does a tremendous amount of good. One thing that I like to do is to drink that water at room temperature, because I think when you get up in the morning, if you're really trying to pound down some ice cold water, you can't drink as much. But if it's more temperate, I think you can really get a lot down. Number 3, I think this is important in the same way that the water is. Stick your head out the door and take about 10 deep breaths of real air. All night long, you've been breathing inside air. You've been breathing the same air over and over again. Winter or summer, stick your head out the door, expand your lungs, take in as much air as you can, about 10 times, blow out as much air as you can 10 times. And then the 4th step, have a little exercise routine. And it doesn't have to be much. Do a few squats, do a few jumping jacks, bend over and touch your toes a few times, shake everything out, just move everything for about 15 seconds. Even if you think of yourself as a slow starter, if you get in the habit of doing these things right when you get up, you'll find that instantly you're ready to go. So number 1, brush your teeth. Number 2, pound down a bunch of water. Number 3, stick your head outside the window or the door and get some fresh air. Number 4, get your big muscle groups moving. I know it'll work.